Uh, hey guys, hope you're well. Yes, so today we're going to look at graph theory using Python and Networkx. Okay, yeah, so we're just going to do the similar problems that I used for Maple and Mathematica. So I'll put the link in the comments. Okay, cool. So yeah, on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you love what you see, please do subscribe. And please do share the videos with your friends. I'll greatly appreciate that. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So import net network x s and x, right? And then import NumPy as np, right? And then import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, right? So we imported my libraries. Okay, cool. So start. So n is equal to 30, right? So graph. So I'll just call it graph one. So equals to nx dot complete graph, right? And then n. So g1, right? So what I'll do is I'll need to show you the number of vertices in my graph. Okay, so vertices, right? So that'll be g1 dot number, right, of nodes, so vertices 1, right? So there you go. So the 30 nodes, right? And then the edges, right? Well, in fact, let me just list the nodes. List, then g1 dot nodes. There we are. And then I need to list. I need to show you the edges as well. So edges. In fact, let me put it as a variable. Let me just work it out straight away. So g1 dot number of edges, right? There we are. So 435. Okay, right. And then what I need to do is show you about if a graph is planar, right? So I'll just type in a quick definition, right? So a graph is planar if it can be drawn on a flat surface and its edges don't cross each other. Right, cool. So that's that. So testing for planarity, as they say. So nx dot is, right, planar g1. That's false, right? I'll show you. I'm gonna plot the graph anyway, and then I want to find out if it's bipartite as well. So nx dot is bipartite. It's false again, right? So I need to plot this graph. Okay, so what I'll do is so nx dot draw g1, right? let me yeah, let me do it this way. Yep. Right. And then plot dot show. There we are. So that's our graph. Quite yeah, quite a little spectacle, as I would say. Right. So you got 30 nodes and 435 edges. Okay, cool. Right. So that's that. Okay. And then what I need to do as well, I've got another graph is also num equals 5, right? And then so G2, I'll just call it G2 equals to NX dot complete graph, right? And then right, there we are. So yeah, let me just plot it, you know. So so NX dot draw G2 and then plot dot show. There we are. That's our graph. Okay. And then what I need to do now is I need to create the adjacency matrix. So I'll call it adMatrix. Right. That's equal to NX2. Right. And then NumPy array G2. Okay. Then print adMatrix. There we are. So obviously the diagonal is going to be zeros because the node doesn't loop to itself. Okay, that's why you get 0, 0. Right. Oh yeah, great. So yeah, it's just a vid using Networkx and NumPy to sort out some graph, basic graph problems. So if you like what you see, guys, again, please do subscribe and please share the videos with your friends. Cheers. Have a good one. Bye.